Obesity is associated with an increase in the size and/or the number of fat cells. With fat loss, the fat cells shrink in size, but the total number of fat cells is not reduced. Thus, people with extra fat cells are more prone to obesity. Although weight gain is usually associated with middle age, fat cell increase is most rapid during late childhood and early puberty. So maintaining a healthy body weight during these periods may be beneficial in controlling obesity later in life.
Have you ever seen someone go on a diet, lose 10 pounds, and soon gain it all back? Well, there's a theory on why the body often gains back weight loss after dieting. It's called the set point theory.
According to the set point theory, when a person goes on a diet to lose weight, the body adjusts its metabolism in order to return to the initial heavier weight. It's as if the body has memory of the heavier weight and wants to return to it. Set point also refers to when someone tries to lose a certain amount of pounds, but can only lose so much and no more. This, however, is only a theory, because there's no known gene or physiological process that scientists have been able to identify that explains it. It's also a known fact that sometimes people lose weight too fast and end up losing mostly water, not fat, so they gain it back again.
What's the moral of this story? People can lose weight if they eat and exercise correctly, but it's a lot easier to keep the weight off in the first place. Now, there are 4 basic factors that are considered contributors to obesity: heredity, psychological factors, social factors, and lifestyle.
Unfortunately, heredity is probably the largest cause of obesity. The odds are, if a child's parents are obese, the child will be too. Genes control how the body gains weight, how it distributes weight, how it spends energy, and how fast a person's metabolism is. How do genes do this? We don't know yet. While scientists have learned a lot about the human body, some things remain a mystery.
Psychological factors are sometimes believed to be a contributor to obesity. The theory is that obese people eat when they're unhappy or bored, and not from hunger.
Next, social factors contributing to obesity can range from socioeconomic factors to job environment. Often, obesity can be influenced by the eating habits of family and friends.
And finally, there are lifestyle factors. Overeating, not only big meals, but lots of high-calorie snacks. A diet that consists of mainly high-fat or high-calorie foods. And finally, a lack of exercise. All can contribute to obesity.
Obesity poses serious health risks. As we said before, it's been identified as a factor in heart disease, strokes, atherosclerosis, hypertension, diabetes, and even some types of cancer. That's 6 good reasons to keep the weight off. But remember, though, there's no single cause for obesity. Each person is different, and for every obese person, there's usually a different combination of factors involved. Some factors are under our control, others are not. If you feel you have problems with your weight, talk to your doctor.